So we're gonna get started tonight with our special election for Webmaster. So if anyone didn't know, this is an officer role where you're managing a lot of our web-related services. And I have been doing this role for this semester, but I'm graduating this semester as well. So this position is opened up for people who want to run for it. So we're gonna have people come up and give their speeches, and then afterwards, everyone can vote for who they think is the best fit. Um, so to start off, we're gonna have uh Max, if you want to go ahead and come up here. Wonderful. Alrighty. You can go for it and speak to me.
Yeah. Do you want me to just like be in the camera?
Yeah, that's okay.
I prepared an actual speech and I didn't memorize it. So the game plan is I will read directly from it because that's just kind of what I did. So, hey everyone, I'm Max. For those who don't know me, I've been a member of the VGDC for around 2.5 years. This is my second semester as a general officer. And being an officer has been like a huge pleasure. It's been wonderful to be able to contribute more to the club, which is why I wanted to run for the webmaster. Just because, it's a more specialized role than the general officer positions. So with it comes the sense of like, yeah, I can keep doing more for the club, and that's awesome. Um, and yes, so as for why I think I would make a good fit for the webmaster position, I've worked heavily as a designer for the club games that I've made, and I think something that I feel I can say is a strong suit of the projects I've made is that they come with a certain level of polish and completion that I always kind of really push to have happen within my groups. Like I want it to be something that is digestible, a complete package, uh, something that is easy for users to follow along with. And I think that would lend itself really well to the webmaster position because creating a design for the website that is easy to follow along with for newcomers who are looking at our website or our itch page or just wanting to learn more about us is an integral step to just keeping them around. So I think that the touch of an artist or whatever would be a really beneficial step to improving the existing foundation that we have for the website. So yeah, that's my pitch for myself. Thank you. Yes. What is your question?
Were you taking a shot at our current webmaster for not having artistic touch?
Artistic touch. You see me draw comments before. All right. So next up, Nathan Donald. All right.
Yeah.
How's it going, everybody? I'm not gonna read off my phone because I didn't prepare a speech. Um, it's all in here, guys. So yes, my name is Nathan Muckler. I have been at VGDC for a little over a year. I have not been an officer before, but I would really like to become an officer because this club has provided so much for me, and I'm constantly shouting it out to my friends and encouraging people to come. And I would just love for a way to like officially like be able to like give back and like uphold like why I think this club is so great. So having um a a position I feel like in this club would be I it would be a great way for me to give back to the club. And I think like specifically the role of webmaster would be nice because I have a little bit of familiarity with developing websites. I'm currently a web dev intern at the university, so I kind of uphold university websites and just in charge of like maintaining things that are currently present. Um, so I think like that would be like a great way for me to kind of contribute to the club just because I'm already kind of doing something like that. Um, and I think it would be fun. I think there's room for me to learn. So I would also like for, an opportunity to kind of like keep strengthening skills that I have by supporting my club and um, just having fun, and learning. Well, that's it, guys. Thank you.
Next, Evelyn, you've been nominated. Would you like to give a speech? You've declined? You just want to apply for general officer? Okay, cool. Nicholas.
All right, so no script, so we'll see what happens. So hi, for anyone who doesn't know me, my name is Nicholas, and I've been in this club for about a year and a half. Um, so I tend to be very present in meetings, but I'm not necessarily the best game developer. So when I saw the position for webmaster, I felt like this was my time to help out the club in a way that I understand. Because in over the past few years, I've been focused on upgrading my web development experience. I just I'm about to finish 2 classes focused on web development. So I think if I am elected as the webmaster, I will make sure to try my best to keep the websites up to date and maybe even expand upon what they already have. So thank you.
Let me check and make sure that there's nobody that I'm missing. And then all right, cool. So now we're going to, for everyone who's in person or on Twitch, we're gonna do a vote. So if you could scan this QR code, you can vote for one of the candidates. One thing I would like to emphasize is, so this is a special election. Normally at the end of the year, we have an election for every role. There's 10 officer spots and this is only one of them. So if you don't get elected for this spot, we would really love to see everyone who signed up for this tonight run for the election in the spring for the next school year. What's up? There will be 6 elected spots, and then there will be 4 general officer spots. So yeah, the spring is definitely our big election. This is only one of the many roles we have. Yes, I am.